On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get new followers every minute on Threads app. Hello guys, as you can see now I'm recording and I just received a new following requests. So all what you want to do is very simple. Open Threads app like this, and then all what you want to do is go to the explore page or the home page right here and start following people that you are interested in. For example, this one and this one, and also let's say uh, this one right here. He's a good photographer, and start doing this every hour. Follow 10 people, and after that you will go to the notifications and you will find, as you can see, many followers you will start getting every hour. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.